So we are back and it's time for the unboxing. Shipping was actually super quick. We were shopping on Friday night into Saturday morning. It was absolutely Saturday morning technically when we placed that order. Most companies in Sweden don't work Saturday and Sunday. So that order shipped bright and early Monday morning. I got the email. And then I had it by Wednesday. So that is Sweden to Detroit in literally 3 days. That is extremely fast shipping. I order stuff from all over the world. And honestly, time and time again, Grimfrost has the fastest shipping. Even around Christmas, I made an order probably in December, and it was still to me in like 5 or 6 days, which is crazy during the holiday season. You can expect, even for normal shipping, a week to a week and a half, even 2 weeks, because so many people are ordering that it's just impossible to get stuff quickly. Because they use a specific carrier, it definitely gets to you a little bit faster. So we have our Grimfrost order. Let's dive in here. The first thing I'm seeing that I'm pretty excited about is the Freyja's Kiss Face Oil. Grimfrost Revitalizing Face Oil is an intense boost for your skin. Made from all natural and organic plant-based oils, it nourishes and rejuvenates the skin, creating a beautiful glow, just like a kiss from Freya. I love that, honestly. Sunflower oil, wheat germ oil, sea buckthorn oil, lavender oil, rosemary extract, and palmarosa oil. So it's pretty natural. It's part of why I wanted to try it. I'm not actually going to do it on my face today. I'm going to at least put it on my hand and see how it smells and see how it feels. But there will be a full review on this product in its very own video. Just because I honestly think it's worth that for an all-natural oil. My first thought is it's really dark. It's like a really golden amber color. The smell is really faint. I don't even really smell anything to it. It definitely gives a really like... I wish I would have showed my hand beforehand. I wish I'd have showed my hand before, because it definitely looks kind of dewy and hydrated. Let's see. Yeah, absolutely. Compared to this hand looks really dewy and nice. So I'm excited to try that on my face. Yeah, I'm going to do a full review on this, but I want to use it for a few days and get a feel for it and how it interacts with my skin before I do that. I have really sensitive skin, so I have to be careful. This does feel like it's soaking in really nicely, and it doesn't feel overly oily, though I think for the 3 drops that were on my hand, it was probably just a little bit too much for that area. I feel like with this in particular, a little bit goes a long way, so we'll see what happens with it. But I'm so excited to have found it on their website. The next thing I've had my eye on for quite a minute which I'm going to show you both together because it's a set. Don't mind me just throwing wrappings all over the floor like a child. I'm the one that cleans it up, so I'll do what I want for now. So this is a set of horn shot glasses, and truthfully, these are huge. These are probably like 4 ounces a piece, so if you're doing shots on them, it's like here, or I mean, a very small glass of mead or wine. This is a Viking hairpin made out of horn. I'm always using different pins to put my hair up, and it is so easy, even with my hair half up. All you do is twist and roll your hair, roll it into a bun, tuck the little bit of hair behind, and then I always loop out a little bit, come back around, and then pierce through very gently so you're not breaking any hair, and coming right back through. And that's it. No, my flower's kind of funky, then you can also do that. The sexy librarian hair pull. The next thing I'm pulling out is a sun spiral, which is a necklace. This is the one that was historical that we talked about in the first video. So this is it here. To be completely honest with you, I was expecting something a little bit bigger, especially with the size of pretty much every other. I think I have 4 different hand-forged iron items, and this one is definitely smaller, but I mean, for like casual events and stuff like that, it'll be cute. The next thing that I'm very excited for is the Freya tank top. This has rooms going over the top of it. Let's freshen up on what exactly this says, because I truthfully don't remember. This runic print here across the top of the tank top, which is really probably hard to see with all my straps. So let me get a little bit closer and see how we do. Oh, that's actually way better. It says Freya Vanadis Geffen Vel Freyja Mardal. They're all different names of Freya that translate to Freya, generous fate goddess of the vineyard gods. As I said in the first part of the video, this is just like totally right up my style, just like a tiny black cami with black lace. I live in camis. I hate being in like really constrictive clothing, so even if you see me in long sleeve, it's usually like mesh and stuff that I can move in. This neck shirt is white, and it does have runes in it, but they go down the front, and it does actually say the exact same thing as the black one, but it is more of a halter style. White is totally not my color, and if you have followed me for a while, you've probably absolutely never seen me in white. I do like really like specific white articles of clothing. It's just got to be right, and I thought this could be styled in a lot of different ways. I just thought this would be really fun to style for a few different shoots I have in mind, which you guys will see soon. Everything I've shown you so far is actually all thanks to you guys, so thank you guys so much for shopping Grimfrost and using my code and my link. It helps you, it saves you a little bit of money, but it also does help me as well. If you are not aware of my discount on Grimfrost, it is Dragoness, DRAGONESS, and that will get you 10% off pretty much your entire order. There are a few things on the site that discount codes don't work for, but it works for probably like 90% of the site. That being said, I do have a couple more things to share with you. First and foremost, I have a giveaway coming. This will be entered on Instagram, so you can head over there for more information. I'm giving you your very own beard bead, one of the basic small ones, which I love, and then a beard bead threader, which is great on beards. It's great on any kind of hair you have, braids, not braids. I show you how to do both with and without braids in my videos, so definitely check it out if you need to. These two items will definitely be a part of my next giveaway, so you want to check out my Instagram for that. So we're going to take this video a step further. With the two tops that I ordered in this recent Grimfrost order, I'm going to shoot in both of them so that I can get some promotional material. I'm going to take you behind the scenes in terms of planning and styling a photo shoot. We're going to go behind the scenes on the photo shoot, and then you will see the finished product after editing. So I will see you as we start to prepare.